What's your vision for Reactive Network? What's next? What are you hoping to accomplish? What are some of your goals?
I think my goal is really to bring basically these Web3 possibilities to the non-Web3 space, the commercial side of the house. I think right now in this industry, we're still very focused on financial sort of solutions because, well, more than 90% of anything that's happening on Web3 are related to finance. DeFi, other basic tokens, a lot of trades, options, derivatives, and all of it. I think the real delta comes in when real life use cases with logistics, with gaming product codes, with all of this movement of real goods come in and they use this as a solution. And they're not going to look at it and say that, oh, if I need to deploy it on using a Web3 tech stack, it's not just one tech stack, it's like 5. And it's complicated, but why do I need to handle this when I can just build it on a typical cloud service?
Real infrastructure.
Data,
decentralized infrastructures.
Yes, and I see it as a big delta where we enable them coming in, and finally they'd be like, okay, actually it's just one tech stack. That's relatively easy. The data storage, of course, will be off-chain, that's fine. They know how to handle that. They've experience doing it. And the go-to market is so much faster. And the way I see it, imagine a day where your gaming product codes or your logistics, for example, from point to point. If it's a gaming product code, for example, I'm a game studio, I produce the product codes, 1 million of them, or 10 million. And I issue out to the various different vendors, like Steam, PlayStation, and so on. And it goes to the players who buys them. And the players, after playing for 2 months, 3 months, maybe they want to resell it. End to end. To the second layers of players and to the third layers of players. Me as publisher, I can keep track of the whole thing. It's immutable.
It's an economy, it's a marketplace.
Precisely. And it's big data. And I can actually create code that responds automatically to all of these changes as well. Maybe on Tuesday, the sales are pretty bad. My code will automatically trigger and says, let's have sales on Tuesday.
You put some policy on it, logic. Business logic.
Yes.
So solutions is the future.
Yes. Right now, all of this is pretty manual. But with this, it actually enables companies to start looking at, okay, maybe I can look at Web3 as a kind of solution.
So the scale and value still are in play, not mutually exclusive, both independent, but related.
But related, yes, precisely.
Kai, thank you so much for coming on theCUBE.